a goddess. Like what? Of course I love the glow up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ha 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 ha. Why am I such a weirdo? But anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back. So if you're new, I'm Tashay, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it a lot. And you know, if you want to continue seeing me, you know, you gotta subscribe and you gotta give this video a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications, so every time I upload a new video, you will know. Okay guys? Okay. So I'm gonna be getting ready today. I'm going to a baby shower and I was like, why not do a video? I never go anywhere. If you want to see me get ready, continue watching. First thing I do is put in my contacts so I can put on my makeup so I can see, you know, because I'm blind, okay? So I'm just gonna take off my glasses and pop these bad boys in to give me some sight. So next up is my rose water and glycerin spray. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so good. Just apply this Tarte maracuja oil to my face. And this oil is really nice. It helps to have a nice and smooth base for your foundation and that glow. We're all about the glow. So this eye cream I'm using, it's from Benefit. I think it's Potent eye cream. Is it good? I don't know. I just can't find my other eye cream, so that's why I'm using it. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Professional primer, and this is a pore filling primer, so I apply it to anywhere that I have large pores. Spray some Fix Plus just to mix everything all in together. You know, do you know? I'm gonna use the pomade. This is a lip brow pomade, and I think this is dark brown. So this is not really, I don't know, is this an eyebrow tutorial? But what I usually do, I do not fill in my brows like super thick. I do them sort of lightly. So what I do is I outline the bottom portion. I brush my hairs down a bit and outline the top. And I just take what's left on the brush and lightly fill in my eyebrows. And with the front of the bottom, I push it up. Okay, so I just brushed them to distribute the product and everything. I'm going to take my concealer to clean them up. And I'm going to use this Morphe M432 brush. Take concealer from Tarte, and this color is medium. I like to take up the excess, any excess that's on the brush. So what I do is just outline my eyebrows. I outline them. Just like that. And I'm gonna fade the bottom. So I'm a person that does eyebrows first before I do... Crap. Do I? No. I usually do my foundation first. You know what's messing me up? Oh my gosh. I usually do my foundation first. Do I? Gosh, I can't even remember because I haven't worn makeup in a while. So now I'm going to go in with a concealer that's my shade in a way. Clean up the top with that because I don't like the top to be too light. Okay, I'm just gonna blend the top up here, top of my eyebrows, Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some clear eyebrow gel to set my eyebrows, and I brush my hairs up because it gives like a little bit of a feathery look, like a very natural look to them. I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelids. Today I won't be using any eyeshadow because I'm not feeling it today. Foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty foundation today. I'm also going to use their concealer, so it might be like a little mini review kind of thing. And I might use their powder as well. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about the powder, so I'm just going to use the foundation. I'm in the color 310. I'm going to pump that onto this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. So it still wasn't even shaped up properly. So I think that's like, how many pumps did I put? I think that was like 1 or 1.5. So anyways, I'm just gonna buff that into my skin. Okay, so I'm going with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is just a concealer that's close to my under eye shade, my skin color. So I go with a shade that's my complexion, and then I go in with a lighter shade. And for today's lighter shade, I'll be using the Fenty concealer, Pro Filter concealer, and this concealer is good. Like, it's so creamy. It is really good, and I'm using the shade 310. I'm using the shade 310. I'm gonna highlight my forehead a bit, my chinny chin chin. Yeah, just right there for now. I'm gonna let this concealer sit under my eyes for a bit so it gives it more coverage when you let it sit a bit. And I'm gonna do my chin, blend up my chin, blend up my chin. Guys, I got this ABH palette, cream contour palette, in I think TJ Maxx or I think it was TJ Maxx, or was it Marshall's? I don't know. I got it for like, I think I got it for I think $18 or $19. It was really cheap. Okay, so I'm gonna just do a little bit of cream contour. I just can't see, like, it's a little bit. Out. Honestly, I don't have to contour my nose because it's hot. I'm gonna start with my concealer first. And what I like to do is start from outer, like out here, and then work my way in. Here's what I like to do. This concealer is so bomb. It's so bomb. If there's something you should get out of like Fenty's new launch, it's the concealer. Whew. This blending got me thirsty. I'm gonna use this brush that I used to blend my eyebrow concealer cleanup to just do my nose contour. And I'm gonna go in with my small Real Techniques beauty sponge to like just further like blend everything together. We don't want anything looking harsh. No, we do not. Yeah. Everything looks smooth. So I'm gonna use the Fenty powder. Like I said, I don't even know how I really feel about this powder, but I'm just gonna give it a try again. Use that to not bake. I do not bake. Yeah, I do not bake. I just put a little bit of powder under my eyes, and I got to bake my smile lines. That's one thing I have to bake because your girl smiles a lot. And I'm setting the concealer that I put on top of my eyelids. So what I was saying, your girl smile a lot, so she get them lines. I need to get a new bronzer. I need to try a new bronzer. So I'm gonna go with this Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and this is our Real Techniques brush. This is a fake brush actually. I got this in China. It's not real. It's not a Real Techniques brush, but it gets the job done. Okay? Okay? So I'm just going to set that contour we did, even though it was like a light contour, but I love bronzer. I just love to look bronzy. I love to look bronzy. I love the glow. I'm a goddess. Like what? Of course I love the glow. Of course I love the bronze. I'm a goddess. Ha 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 ha. You can't really listen to me. I need to calm down. I'm gonna use the same powder, the Fenty powder, Savannah powder, to just clean up under there. But I'm gonna use that one of these little sponges. I feel like I got this little e.l.f. cheek blush. Let me tell you something. e.l.f. is really stepping up their game. You guys need to check out e.l.f. e.l.f. is really cheap. e.l.f. is really cheap and they got some good stuff. I'm telling you. I'm just gonna like dot it. Just gonna dot it. My cheeks, my cheeky. So I'm gonna take my NARS Orgasm blush with this Real Technique blush brush, and just gonna put some on my cheeks. Yep, I'm just taking everything. It's like, you know, everything is good, you know? You know, I'm feeling hungry. Anyways, I'm gonna dust off my bake that's going on here. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. stippling brush. I'm gonna apply highlighter. So first, I'm gonna set my face with this Cover FX. Almost forgot the name. This Cover FX illuminating spray. I use a lot. I'm gonna let it dry a bit. Okay, I set my face. So all the powders and everything I apply just, you know, mix together and like fuse together and like just becomes one powder. I'm gonna take this Benefit highlighter stick. I'm gonna tap that out with my finger. So okay, now I'm gonna take my powder highlight and we're just going to highlight. So for my lips, I'm gonna use this ABH lip gloss, and this is in the shade Luna. Highlighter I use for I'm gonna use my Urban Decay setting spray. I love this setting spray, the all-nighter one. It keeps your makeup lasting all night long. That's it for the makeup. Let's go into the outfit.
Hey guys, so I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what I'm wearing. The dress is from Fashion Nova. It's in a size small. The little bag is from I got this when I was living in China, but I'll link a site where you can find a similar one.
That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Baby.
The rose gold sandals are from Ross. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe.